Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. If you already know a little HTML and CSS, you might be thinking my website looks good, but it does not do anything. Button don't respond, form don't validate, nothing change when I click. This is exactly where JavaScript comes in. So in this video, we are starting JavaScript from the absolute basics. Even if you have never written JavaScript code before, don't worry at all. I will explain everything slowly with simple example, and we will also write real code together. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what JavaScript is, where it runs, and how to use it in your web pages. So let's start. So this video is a part of our web development series here on JD Codebase, and JavaScript is one of the most important technology in web development. Once you understand the basic property, everything later becomes much easier. And as always, the PPT and source code are available in the video description. So first, let me quickly tell you what we are going to learn in this video. We will understand what JavaScript actually is, what role it play in web development, how browser run JavaScript, what JavaScript engine like V8, and then we will see where JavaScript can run, different ways to add JavaScript to a web page, and finally we will learn about the browser console. So this video builds a very strong foundation. Now, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language made for the web. It mainly used to control the behavior of the web pages. HTML gives the structure, CSS gives the design, but JavaScript gives the life to the page. JavaScript usually runs inside the browser and make website interactive. For example, when you click a button and something happens, this is JavaScript, that is JavaScript. When a form show an error message, that is JavaScript. When content changes without reloading the page, that is JavaScript. Now, role of JavaScript in web development. In web development, three technologies work together: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML create the structure, CSS handle the styling, and JavaScript handle the logic and interaction. Without JavaScript, websites are mostly static. With JavaScript, websites become interactive, dynamic, user-friendly. Now, what can JavaScript do? JavaScript do many things. It can change HTML content while the page is open. It can change the CSS style dynamically. It can listen to user action like clicks, scrolling, and typing. It can validate form before sending the data. It can talk to the server using the API, and later you will see the JavaScript is used to build the full stack application, full application games, and the dashboard. Now let's understand what happens inside the browser, means how browser executes the JavaScript. First, the browser load the HTML, then CSS is applied, then JavaScript is loaded. The JavaScript engine inside the browser reads and executes the code. After that, the page becomes interactive. And one very important thing to remember, JavaScript runs line by line. If there is an error, the code may stop running. JavaScript engines. A JavaScript engine is a program that runs the JavaScript code, and different browser uses different engines like Chrome and Edge uses the V8 engine, Firefox uses the SpiderMonkey, and Safari uses the JavaScript core. V8 engine is a very powerful, very popular because it is fast, and it also used in the Node.js. Most people think JavaScript run only in the browser, but that's not true. JavaScript can run in the browser for the front-end work. It can also run in this on the server using the Node.js. It can even run in the mobile apps, desktop app. Now, how to add JavaScript to HTML? So there are the three ways: inline, internal, external. We will see all three, but in real projects, external JavaScript is the best option. First is the inline JavaScript. Inline JavaScript means writing JavaScript directly inside an HTML element. This method is not recommended because the code becomes hard to manage, and it's okay to learning but not for the real project. So let's move to VS Code. So here I have this basic HTML structure and having a button click me. So inside this button, let's add the on click attribute. In this alert hello JS. Okay. Yes, now works. So here on click means when the button is click, alert is built in JavaScript function that shows a pop-up, and when I click this button, JavaScript run, and again this one, but we should avoid this method. So this is a pop-up built-in method. Next is the internal JavaScript. Internal JavaScript means writing JavaScript inside the script tag. This is better than the inline and good for the learning. So for that, just write after the body, right here script, and inside this console.log hello JavaScript. So this script tag tells the browser that JavaScript code is written here, and console.log is used to print output in the browser console. This is very useful for learning and debugging. Now let's see. So this is open browser, open your browser, inspect, and inside this click on this console, and if you see hello JavaScript from the file one introduction to javascript.html at the line 51. Oh, sorry. So next is the third one is the external JavaScript. External JavaScript is the best and most professional way. We write JavaScript in a separate .js file. So let's write this. So I already write a introduction to javascript.js file, console.log, and write external JavaScript working, and link in the HTML by just script src source. The source is the one introduction to javascript.js file. Now JavaScript is a separate from the HTML, and if you see external JavaScript is the working, and always prefer external JavaScript in the real project. Introduction to console. The console is one of the most important tools for the JavaScript developer. We use it to test code, debug errors, understand what is happening. Console.log is the most commonly used command. How to open console? You can open the console by right click, and also by I already show you, right click, click on the inspect, and just press this console. And you can also use the keyboard shortcuts like in Chrome Control Shift plus J, Firefox Control Shift plus K. Now why console is important? The console helps you understand how your code is running. It helps you find the mistake quickly, and every JavaScript developer uses the console daily in every project. So let's quickly summarize. JavaScript makes the website interactive. JavaScript it works with the HTML and CSS. It is executed by the JavaScript engines. It runs in the browser and the server, and the console is your best friend for the debugging. So that is for this video. If you are new to JavaScript, don't rush, practice slowly, and use the console as much as possible. The PPT and source code links in the available in the video description. In the next video, we'll start JavaScript variable and data types. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to JDCodebase. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.